we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting names and Spanish names whose pronunciations aren't obvious, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So this is the Spanish and Portuguese equivalent to the name Philip. How do you say it? In Spanish and Portuguese it is said as Felipe. Felipe. You do want to stress on the middle syllable in Spanish. Felipe. Not Felipe, but rather Felipe. Pretty straightforward. In English you could simply say that as, and that's how it's usually said, Felipe, Felipe. In Spanish again, Felipe. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.